So now we're going to start section 3.3, which is about product and quotient rules. And higher order derivatives. So we're going to start with the product rule. The product rule says that if f and g are differentiable, then so is their product, f times g. And if we want to find the derivative of f times g, here's a formula. So the derivative would be f of x times the derivative of g plus, and then g of x times the derivative of f. So let's look at an example here. I want you to find the derivative of the function h of x is 3x minus 2x squared, 5 plus 4x. So here I have a function that's a product of two things. So because I have a product, I can use the product rule here. H prime of x. So you're going to copy the first term down, 3x minus 2x squared, and then take the derivative of the second one, plus, and then you're going to flip them. So you're going to copy the second one down, 5 plus 4x, and multiply by the derivative of the first one, 3x minus 2x squared. All right, so what am I getting? 3x minus 2x squared. What's the derivative of 5 plus 4x? It's 4. 5 plus 4x. What's the derivative of 3x minus 2x squared? It would be 3 minus 4x. So this would be your derivative. Now if you want to, you could multiply this out and simplify it some. So let's see, you'd get 12x minus 8x squared. If you FOILed out this second part, you would get 15 minus 20x plus 12x minus 16x squared. So if you combine things together, you'd get negative 24x squared plus 4x plus 15. And that would be the derivative of the function h of x. Now I do want to mention that you have another option in how you find the derivative of this function. You don't have to use the product rule. So what you could have done instead, let's look at this h function. You could have FOILed this out so that you no longer had a product. So if I FOILed this out, it would be 15x plus 12x squared minus 10x squared minus 8x cubed. So if I simplify this down, h of x would have been minus 8x cubed plus 2x squared plus 15x. And now you no longer have a product. It's just a single polynomial. So you can find the derivative here, negative 24x squared plus 4x plus 15. And this again matches up with the answer we had when we did the product rule. So for this particular problem, you can do it either way. You could either multiply out and then find the derivative using the power rule, or you could have done the product rule first.